and welcome to my new space / studio. So I'm so excited to announce that I have been working here at the Quantum Living Lifestyle Studio, which is located in Logan Square, which I'm sure some of you have obviously seen all of my Facebook posts going like crazy. But I'm super excited to be working with these ladies. I actually have known Lee for quite a while now, that her and I have been doing makeup for the past years. So I just kind of wanted to do like a quick little kind of introductory of me, what this whole space is, and what the heck is going on, because I've been posting so much random stuff. So really quickly, for those of you who do not know, my name is Karla, and I am a professional makeup artist. I've been in the industry like 8-9 years maybe now. I don't even know. It's been at least 7 to 8 years, and I absolutely love makeup. But one of my biggest passions is teaching and really pushing education, because you know there's so many different makeup products out there, but there's so many people who don't know how to actually utilize them, especially properly. So, drum roll please. I'm so excited to announce I will be hosting my very first independent makeup class. Some of you have known me from the past instructing makeup downtown Chicago, but I have moved on to bigger and better things. So this one will be completely hosted by me and Lee. And the theme for this one, it's going to be called BYOB. So bring your own bag, not alcohol. That'll be for the next one. So basically it's for anybody. You don't have to be advanced. You can be advanced. You can be beginner. Literally any age, any gender is welcome. Basically, the whole concept is you're going to bring in your own cosmetic bag, and you know, Lee and I are both professional makeup artists, so we both will walk you through all of your products from start to finish, whether you have them or not. We'll be talking about primers to moisturizers to water-based versus silicone-based, why certain things aren't working together. I'll also be doing a live makeup demo, so I can show you guys, you know, different eyeshadow shapes or different ways to apply your foundation, or just anything and everything. Obviously, throughout the live makeup demo, you guys are more than welcome to ask any questions. Feel free to invite anybody. Like I said, it's all ages, all genders. I'm so excited. So that will be this Sunday, October 10th, from 12 to 3 p.m. It is $50, and I'll show you guys a little flyer in a second if you do want to take a screenshot of that. And then also this Friday night, we are hosting our very first Zoom event, which that one will be with the Quantum Living Lifestyle. So it won't be with my makeup, but it will be with the other company. And basically the whole concept of quantum living is showing you how to get out of your shell, how to unshed all of your layers. If you've been feeling super stuck in life, or you just feel like you can't communicate well with, whether it's relationships at work, with your coworkers, with friends, family, literally anything, I highly recommend take this workshop. Yeah, so this Friday is also all genders, all ages, couples, non-couples, seeking loves, non-seeking love, literally anything. If you do have any further questions on what quantum living is, or like what the actual events are, even makeup questions, please feel free to reach out to either me, Bbyliraz, or Roma. I will also put their tags in this video. You know, we're a very welcoming community here, and huge space that if you want to sell your artwork here, you're more than welcome to. If you want to come get private makeup lessons, or take makeup courses, or even get your makeup done, or learn whatever it is. We also have fashion. We've got photographers here. You could rent out the studio if you want to have a little fashion show. We've had block parties here. We've had parties in the back patio. Like, I mean, literally, like, this space is just for you. Also, you know, getting your creative juices flowing, finding yourself again in life, and finally choosing to get unstuck. All right, my beautiful people. I don't know if I should look at the camera or the mirror. I don't know. Whatever. Either way, like I said, if you have any questions, please feel free to reach out. You know, this is going to be the first makeup class of many, so I'm super stoked. So, all right. Peace out.